If you work in the manufacturing industry, this accelerator enables you to monitor the overall performance of your organization and, where necessary, to drill down to the finest level to define the best actions to take. On the left, you can see the performance of your top 4 KPIs: sales, supply chain, customer satisfaction, and human resources. On the right, you can dive deeper into any topic in sales, marketing, supply chain, customers, human resources, finance, or IT. Each button will take you to a different accelerator dedicated to that topic. Now to our CEO Cockpit. It is composed of 3 main sections. At the top left, sales performance. At the left, your sales results and the breakdown by your business lines. The color coding indicates your sales performance for the perspective you have selected here. Then the volume of your sales pipeline, when it should close. And finally your ability to win deals. At the bottom left, supply chain. First, how you are impacted by product shortages. Below is an evaluation of the resilience of your supply chain along 3 strategic pillars. Supply versus demand reliability. Are you able to meet customer demand? Inflation impact. How are you exposed to price increases? Logistics reliability. Are you able to deliver your customers on time, in full? And just below you have a similar assessment, but not for you as a seller, for you, as a customer who buys materials from suppliers. Customers. How satisfied are your customers? What is your ability to retain customers? Human resources. Are you retaining your talent? How your headcount has evolved over the period. Finally, on the right, you can assess the financial health of your organization. At the top, what are your financial results? At the bottom, what are your financial positions? For each subject you can drill down to a dedicated accelerator and take action. Customize it at your convenience. Use this accelerator as a starting point and customize it to meet your specific needs. To learn more, visit us online.